Smart Tutorials. Tortilla soup for slow cookers. A hearty soup. Beans are a great plant-based protein. Tomatoes are loaded with vitamin C, E, potassium, and fiber. They also have antioxidants like beta-carotene and lycopene. Ingredients: onion, jalapeno, garlic, chicken breast, black beans, corn, chopped tomatoes, preferably fire roasted, enchilada sauce, oregano, pepper, cumin, salt, chicken or vegetable stock. Toppings: cilantro, avocado, lime wedges, shredded cheese, and tortilla strips. Step 1. Chop onion, garlic, and jalapeno and place first in bottom of slow cooker. Step 2. Lay 3 boneless chicken breasts on top of chopped onion, garlic, and jalapeno. Step 3. Add corn, chopped tomatoes, enchilada sauce, and black beans to the pot. Step 4. Add chicken or vegetable stock. Step 5. Add salt, pepper, cumin, and oregano. Step 6. Cook on high for 6 hours or low for 8 hours. Step 7. When soup is complete, shred the chicken. Step 8. Serve the soup. Add squeezed lime, place avocado slices, chopped cilantro, shredded cheese, and tortilla strips on top. Additional resources: Food Bank NYC, foodbanknyc.org, Plentiful App, plentifulapp.com, text food to pantry 726-879. Additional resources: NYC Well, nycwell.cityofnewyork.us, 1-888-692-9355. Text WELL to 65173. Safe Horizon, safehorizon.org, 1-800-621-4673. Thank you for watching. Please visit smartuniversity.org for more information on our programs, to donate, or follow us on other social media platforms. Major support for Smart Tutorials provided by the New York Women's Foundation.